Hello guys, mga kapinays. I want to show you how to use the 3 tripod function WXY01. So this tripod, it was already a long time ago, and I just remember now that my husband, he ordered online with 2 tripods. So I have 2. So this one with white and black. You see this? The black one. So suddenly I remember that it's still in our locker. So now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So this is with a Bluetooth. I believe it's this, I don't know, it's a remote. So Bluetooth remote. So you have to do like this. It was like that, so you have to do like this, and a little bit it's a little bit like hard because it's not yet used many times. It's just the first time now, so just stick it out like this, and just this one put up and then like this. So this one you just turn around like this. So you see this, it must be straight with this one, not with this one. So it's like this. So if you will do it like this, then it will go, so it will move. So if you will do it like this, then is to make it lock. So you see this? So that is the way how to use it. So you can do it like this, slide it down. It's up to you if you wanna go until here or just in the middle. And then you can put it right away like this. Sorry. Like this. And that's it. So you can turn like this to make it tight here. So that's all.